am your speaker for today's special topic about our nutrition, health and nutrition. Okay, so ang natas po sa akin, this is actually written by Dr. David Heber. He is one of the best doctors of Herbalife Nutrition and the chairman of Herbalife Nutrition Institute. So ang topic ko po ngayon is about we really are what we eat. Nutrition gets personal. Okay? So before po ako mag-proceed with my topic, of course, this is my amazing story or result with Herbalife Nutrition. So this is my result after my CS or CS, okay, after my pregnancy. So ang ganda ng naging result sa akin kasi nagawa ko yung products ng weight loss and products. So, until up today, for 7 years, ito po yung aming almusal, yung aloe tea and shake. So, good thing about this aloe tea and shake, it helped me na mag-lose ng weight, no? So, after my pregnancy, I've lost an amazing from 65 down to 50 kilograms. That's already 15 kilos without any exercise activities because of the condition na I am a CS mom. And the great thing about the products as well is na improve niya yung aking sluggish metabolism as well as my irregular menstruation since I was 11 years old. Talagang sa Herbalife lang when I started 7 years ago. So of course, one of the best results pa sa akin was yung na-improve talaga yung bone density ko na nag-lead sa pag-i-stop ko sa aking therapy sa likod. So that's why I really love these amazing products. Okay? So, ano ba yung pag-uusapan pa natin? Okay? Sabi ni Dr. David Haver, may mga factors no why it is should be personal when it comes to choosing the right food, choosing the nutrition partner. One of the most important thing is what your genes mean. So sabi dito, the authors of a 2011 review in a journal on nutrigenetics and genomics explain that better health outcomes can be achieved if nutritional requirements are customized for each individuals. Actually, meron pang note dito, but hindi ko na siya papalawakin, okay? But there is nutrigenomics as the science of how food we eat affects our genes. And while yung nutrigenetics as how genes affect that food. At alam nyo ba, before magkaroon pa ng Herbalife, all of these factors ay consider ng Herbalife Nutrition in order for them to produce the best quality products that can suit to different genes. Ibig sabihin, no, yung mga tao kapag kumakain sila, hindi natin may mga bagay na kailangan tayong i-consider, especially number one, kapag pinag-uusapan itong genes. Again, nutritional requirements are of course customized for each individual. Lahat po tayo iba-iba. In the Asia Pacific, iba yung presentation ng nutritional philosophy. In European country, ganun din. Saan pa? In American country, ganun din. Okay? We cannot actually eat yung mga pang-American on a daily basis. Kita nyo naman, ang figure pa lang nila, mas malalaki sila sa ating mga Pinoy, di ba? So, genes, nutritional requirements really varies. Okay? So, next is, yan. The personal choices is really matter in this scenario. So number one, may mga tao talaga na taste and flavor, very particular sila. So merong mga tao na, sorry, hindi ako talaga mahilig sa mga salty. Hindi ako into sugary. Meron lang ako talagang, pag kumain ako, meron lang talagang particular na lasa na gusto. And these are the most immediate and easily accessed by us. Okay? Kaya natin agad siyang ma-identify. Ikaw, tanungin ko, meron ka bang particular na favorite na lasa or flavor? Kasi ako po, mahilig ako sa spices, mahilig ako sa hindi sobrang tamis, katamtaman lang, pero dapat maanghang. So ikaw, ano yung favorite mo? So those are part of your personal choices. Okay? It matter most para mas ma-enjoy mo yung kain mo. Tama? And then, number two is the cultural mores. So dito pinag-uusapan naman na yung religion, philosophical values, di ba? And yung mga ano pa, ito yung mga powerful source po katulad ng may mga tao na naka-diet such as kosher, may mga taong naka-vegetarian o may mga taong naka-fasting, okay? So pag pinag-usapan natin yung mga religion and philosophical values, medyo kailangan meron tayong hindi may mga tao na when we introduce the products to them, hindi sila into it. Example, there are religion na hindi kumakain ng pork, hindi kumakain ng red meat, 'di ba? May mga philosophical values naman na kapag kinain ko ito, this will happen sa katawan natin. So, iba-iba. Okay? Yan yung tinatawag nating cultural mores. Somehow, may mga tao na vegetarian. May vegetarian means talagang devoted nila na kumain ng more on veggies lang. They don't like to eat any meat, no? Kahit pa egg yan. Okay? May mga ganon. Minsan psychological factor na din nila na when they eat na ganito, this will happen. Okay? Again, merong personal choices na nakaka-trigger, most importantly yung environmental factor nila. Paano sila lumaki? Ano yung mga beliefs nila doon sa pagkain? Okay? So next is personal choices matters. Number three is the lifestyle. So may mga athletes, for instance, typically need to eat before and after training. Athletes, these are the people who are highly active. So pag active yung mga tao, they need more and a lot of protein than the usual people, no? Than the usual people who are very sedentary, people who don't do trainings. So may mga lifestyle naman like ng mga athletes na example, meron silang percentages na target on a daily basis. They need this protein intake, they need this hydration intake. So it depends. So kung ganito na lang, if if magkakasama kayo sa isang celebration at merong mga tao dyan na vegetarian, may mga people, group of people who are athlete, may mga group of people who are focused on their cultural mores, okay? So, pwedeng hindi yung anything that you would introduce to that people or group of people na kakainin, okay, ay hindi ma-pick. Di ba? May ganun tayong friend, hindi to yung aking top choice na food kasi hindi pwede kasi I am an athlete or raran ako mamayang hapon or meron akong activity kinabukasan. Okay? Most importantly, may mga taong hindi talaga kumakain ng mga sweets. Okay? And then, lifestyle diseases. Sabi dito, certain foods with adopted nutrient composition may target conditions such as excess body weight, or ito pa, intestinal discomfort, or, wait lang, may natawag. Wait lang po, nawala. Yan. Adapted nutrient composition may target conditions such as excess body weight, yan, intestinal discomforts, no? May mga gut health problem na yung mga tao and or choices such as sedentary behavior or yung tinatawag na mga high fat diets, okay? So alam nyo ba yung tinatawag na lifestyle diseases, no? Ito po yung mga naa-adapt na. Ito yung nagiging result ng kanilang unhealthy habits or unhealthy lifestyle. Ano po yun? Ito yung, um, siguro familiar na kayo, naririnig natin most of the time. Ito yung number one kapag obese ang tao. Obese ang isang tao. So kapag isang obese, these are the people who are prone to type 2 diabetes. These are the people who are prone to osteoarthritis. Number three, hypertension, dementia, yung mga part of metabolic syndrome, yung mga tao na kahit hindi too much, hindi nag-alcohol or smoking, nagkakaroon sila ng mga fatty liver, tumataas yung cholesterol nila, triglyceride, napakadami. Again, these are the lifestyle diseases na pwedeng mangyari in a one body, okay? Because of the personal choices personal choices they have, okay? Pagagising pa lang sa umaga, naka-unhealthy breakfast na sila. So yan, dyan po papasok yung lifestyle diseases, okay? Now, next is inherited diseases. So meron din pong inherited, totoo na may namamanang diseases. So, dun sa nabanggit ko kanina ng mga metabolic syndrome, hindi po na. Again, or lifestyle diseases. So isa sa mga alam ko, no, is according din to Dr. David Heber is the type 1 diabetes. 'Di ba may mga ganung bata na inborn na sa kanila yung pagkakaroon talaga ng type 1 diabetes or yung talagang pagtaas ng sugar level. Okay? So ito naman po yung mga inborn na metabolic challenges. Okay? And then, meron pang genetic predisposition. So, food is also personalized according to genotyping, the determination of your genetics makeup or genotype by examining your DNA. So, ayan. So, determining the order of those chemical building blocks or bases that make up of DNA molecule. Okay? So, ito po yung reminder. So, the choices we make regarding what we eat are individual choices. Lahat tayo mayroong freedom to choose. Kahit nga po sa food, no? That should be reflected of our personal needs. Pero, um, kailangan maging particular din ng isang tao, especially if you want to live longer. So, ikaw, kung ikaw ay first timers to this room, very particular yung when you eat this particular food, it is something na makakatulong ba sa'yo in the long term? Yan. So, yan yung mga practical reminder ng isang wellness coach, no? So, there are many factors at play, but what's most important is if you can understand yung mga factors and the best the way is to create a meal plan that really works for you. Okay? Ayan. So if you really want to get started on becoming the best version of yourself, on achieving the best health possible for yourself, and of course, not just for yourself, sabi nga kanina ni Coach Nida, she is here because ayaw niya maging burden sa family. So not just for yourself, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa Herbalife is that I am investing for the present and for the future. So I am not just buying the products just for the future. But alam mo yung iniinom mo na yung investment mo at the same time. You can work so much at the same time while you are not securing but at least na nagkakaroon ka ng feeling of um um how can I say this? Yung feeling mo na in future pwede kang mag-live long, okay? Because of the decision that you are making today, okay? Yung mga personal choices na ginagawa mo. So, ano ba yung meron sa Herbalife natin? So, ang tanong here is, are you getting the nutrient or your body needs? So, ito po yung mga kailangan natin on a daily basis. Number one, the 40%, no, pinakamalaking factor is the carbohydrates from the food and supplements. As you have heard, merong supplements sa tinatawag. Okay? And then 30% fats from the food and supplements as well. And then meron din tayong 30% from the protein from the food and supplements. Kapag sinabing supplements, ito yung pwede mong supplementation para sa mga hindi mo makuha from the food, from the real food. So kung kinakailangan mo ng tamang diet for you, whole food plus supplementation are the best partner sa araw-araw. Okay? So, ano naman yung ating approach? Kami po as a wellness entrepreneur, wellness coach ng Herbalife Nutrition, this is what we help and what we introduce to our clients. So, number one is balanced nutrition. So in Herbalife, we don't just take shake in the morning and then hindi ka nakakain. No, it should be balanced. So it is founded on consuming healthy mix of protein, carbohydrates, and beneficial fats. Ito yung mga good fats and other nutrients. Okay? So kagandahan ni Herbalife, why we chose it as well, because it is science-based na products. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya fad diet. Backed by science siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, may siyensya, pinag-aralan, masusing binigyan ng diin ang pag-aaral para mailabas sa merkado at hindi makaapekto sa health ng mga tao. Okay? And then healthy active life, no? Here in Herbalife, people actually or the coaches actually will actually introduce to you na you can move. In my organization, I have Monica here who is actually very active on physical activities. So dito sa atin pwede, if you want to become active, you can actually join your community. So you can ask your coach kung paano or kung saan. Even dito sa Virtual Nutrition Club, after this, meron tayong exercise. O, di ba? Sorry. Every Tuesday and Thursdays, merong exercise. Okay? After the BNC call, pwede ka din mag-join. Okay? So, dito na ituturo din yung exercise is also part ng health, ng pagiging healthy. Then, personalized program with member support. Okay? So, yung personalized program, ito yung pinaka-the best. Di ba yung topic ko kanina is about personal choice? Dito tuturuan ka ni coach mo how to have the best program or personalized, it talaga siya para sa'yo. Tatanungin ka nila, ano ba yung mga goal mo? Bibigyan ka nila ng one-on-one support. Gusto mo ba ng physical activities? Gusto mo ba ng weight loss, weight gain, weight maintain? Ano yung mga bawal sa yung food? At ang ganda-ganda kasi ang Herbalife Nutrition, talagang even allergic person, pwede siyang kainin. Okay? Plus, ito pa, amazing talaga ang ating community. Again, it can provide you a lot of things, no? And the best thing is, habang nagkakaroon ka ng result on the program, meron kang masayang mukha. Yun yung pinaka the best, okay? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Meron kang support system. There is a community that can provide you the best experience on the program. One shake at a time, okay? One smile at a time. Yan. And then, of course, ano ba yung mga products na pwede kong mainom, i-incorporate sa program aside sa Alo Tea and Shake? We have all the products. Okay? We have all the products targeting from head to toe. Even for your eyes, we have the ocular. Even for your brain and heart health, we have the Mega Garlic Plus. We have the Herbalife line, Nightworks, and even sa panligo, meron din. Okay? Kasi baka may mga personal choices kayo na gusto nyo is ang result ng inyong skin ay malambot, mabango, naturals. So dito, pasok na pasok, meron tayo. Okay? So ano pa? Of course, if you are in to person was the number one in the whole world. So of course, Herbalife is the number one in meal replacement and protein supplement combined. It is actually number one if your goal is for weight loss or any weight management, and totally po pinag-usapan dito. And the most important thing is we have the best products for the active and lifestyle nutrition. So that's all from my part. I hope everybody learned something po. Thank you so much. Back to you, Coach Nida.
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Angelica. Ang dami nating natutunan, di ba? So, kung nasa Herbalife na kayo, you'll never go wrong